For this engineering grand challenge project of enhancing virtual reality, we have a team of 4: Liam, Dalton, Tyler, and Joe. For our challenge statement, the goal of our solution is to give an opportunity for people with disabilities to work remotely using virtual reality technologies. According to the Office of Disability Employment Policy, unemployment rates were much higher for people with a disability than those with no disability across all educational levels. For our target audience, adults between the ages of 18 to 64 with work-limiting physical or mental disabilities. Relation to engineering grand challenges, our solution addresses the grand challenge of enhancing virtual reality by making VR more inclusive and more accessible by using accessibility-first design, which Liam will go over here in a little bit, modern technology integration, and expanding applications.
In order to demonstrate our solution, we have created 2 visuals that you can see on this poster. Since we want to make virtual reality more accessible, we decided that designing an entire new headset to meet this demand would be the best solution. Here, the top image is a perspective view of what our headset could look like, and you can see some of the features and components labeled here. Then, the lower image is a logic path, which is really a demonstration of how the headset would be used to meet each user's unique needs. The headset we have designed includes 3 primary features to accommodate each user's disabilities. An eye tracking system has been placed into the headset in a way that does not interfere with the user's experience for users needing mobility support. Voice command systems are also supported for users that need to interact with the virtual environment in that way. And there are also USB ports and expanded Bluetooth capability to support other adaptive controllers or other external devices that will interface with the headset wirelessly or via a plug-in dongle.
All right, now the possible shortcomings of our design would probably just be the sensitive nature of just eye tracking in general, because it's a new feature. Other places have it already, like Meta, and it's not really that good right now, but we're trying to kind of take what other people do wrong and just make it better. And this also raises privacy concerns, since the system could store like sensitive information that could be misused if not properly protected. And then competitors and why we are better. Competitors like Meta and Sony have already developed VR products and have adaptive accessibility controls. When designing our add-on, we plan to study their models and see where they kind of have some mishaps in theirs. And our controls, we try to make them as friendly as possible for people with disabilities, while also keeping the system cost-effective and easy to set up. Currently, the MetaQuest has like a bunch of eye tracking features, but they're mostly focused on comfort and preference, not true like accessibility. So our add-on will be the first dedicated accessibility suite designed specifically for people with disabilities. It combines existing technologies like voice controls and haptic feedback into one unified system.
So through our feasibility study, we determined that creating this product would be very feasible due to the already existing technologies that we would like to integrate, such as eye tracking and voice command. We would say our biggest roadblock for creating this product would be trying to create a virtual reality environment for those with disabilities while also integrating all these new technologies and at the same time making a small and compact product. Virtual reality products are typically worn by the user, so we would need to make sure, in order for everyone to be able to use this product, to make it as small and compact and try to make it as lightweight as possible, just so anyone with a disability or anyone in general could use it to the best of their ability. This device could absolutely be used by people that don't have a disability. It could be really used by anybody. It could be applied to almost any type of job. It could be used for things such as hosting virtual meetings, training new interns, and things like design work or anything a company really wants to use it for. If we were to continue development of our product, we would first off look to continue to look for ways of new functionality to improve the experience for the user, and also look for ways to make our product as the most cost effective as possible. That's one of our main goals, is to make this product as cost effective and as accessible to anyone who would like to use it so that everyone can enjoy it.